Good morning, grade 9. We are doing question 3 from set 2.2, that is represent root 5 and root 10 on a number line. You have already done this in 8th standard. It is just like a revision for you. Alright. So let us start. First, I am going to draw a line. So I have drawn a line over here. Okay, now let me mark the markings as per my convenience. I am starting from here. So this is your 0, 1 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 3 centimeter and 4 centimeter. Alright. Okay. And here it will be -1. We are representing this on number line. So this is your -1, 0, +1, +2, +3 and +4. Okay. I'll just zoom it for you and show. Like this I have done marking on the number line. Okay. Now let us proceed. First is we are going to do root 5. You know that for doing the root 5 or to draw the root 10 on number line, we are going to use Pythagoras theorem. I have told you this in detail in previous video. Alright. So here in rough I am showing you down. Just see. If I have over here 1 unit and if I have over here 2 units, then this length, for example, this is triangle ABC. So AB, this is 90 degree, mind well. Alright. Then what will be AB? AB will be equal to BC square plus AC square according to Pythagoras theorem. Now your BC is 1 square is 1 and AC is 2. 2 square is 4. And so AB square, your AB square becomes 5. So what will your AB? Your AB will be root 5. So this is the principle we are using. So I am going to draw perpendicular from, this is our C point, you imagine, this is 1 centimeter. So this is B and this is C. So from here I am going to draw a perpendicular line with the help of protractor. So from 1 I am going to draw 90 degree angle straight line, that is perpendicular I am drawing from 1 centimeter. So this is 90 and I have drawn here. You can draw perpendicular with the help of compass also, which we have seen in earlier videos. So this is your 90 degree. This is your point B now. Okay. And this is your point C. Now I want AB. This distance should be 2 centimeters. So I'm going to take 2 centimeters in compass and mark it over there. So 2 centimeters I am taking. So this is 2 centimeters exactly. So I am going to mark here 2 centimeters. You can cross check with your pens, this also. See, exactly 2 centimeters I want. Alright. So this is exact 2 centimeters. Now I am going to join. This is my point A. This point A, I got it over here. So I am joining this with the 0 mark. Okay. Done. So 2 I have joined with 0. Now this is what? 2 centimeters. This is 1 centimeter. And this will be automatically now root 5. Okay. But I want it on number line, isn't it? This distance is root 5. So what I will do? I will take this distance. This will be little more than, see, you can see it is little greater than 2. So I'll extend this like this. So this distance which I have taken in my compass is root 5. But I don't want it over here. I want it on number line. So what am I going to do? I will place it at 0 and I will mark it over. You can see root 5 is little more than 2. Can you see everyone? It is going little ahead of 2. So this distance, because root 4 is 2. Square root of 4 is 2. So this is root 5. So it will be little more than 2. You can see the mark. It is little ahead of 2. Can you see this mark? Okay. So this is your root 5. So you got root 5. So this distance is root 5. This is root 5. Got it everybody? Root 5. Now we want to draw root 10. Similarly what we can do? Now to draw root 10, Look at this another triangle. If I am taking 3 centimeters over here and 1 centimeter just over here, and if I construct a right angle triangle, then again in this case, suppose this is PQR. What will be my PQ square? PQ square will be 3 square plus 1 square. Are you understanding me? So my PQ square, 3 square is what? 9. 1 square is 1. So PQ square will be 10 and PQ now will be root 10. So I need to have root 3 over here and 1 centimeter over here. Not root 3. I want QR to be 3 centimeters and or unit, whatever it is, and this should be 1 unit. So 3 centimeters over here is over here, and from here I am going to draw now perpendicular line. I hope you are understanding. Okay. So from here I am going to draw perpendicular from 3 now. Okay, plus 3. I hope you are understanding what I am trying to do. You can see 8th standard video as well. So this is again perpendicular line drawn from 3 centimeters. Okay. But now if I am drawing this 3 centimeter, look at this diagram. This is 3, this should be only 1 now. Okay. So I am going to mark only 1 centimeter. So exactly 1 centimeters. Okay. Let us cross check with our compass also. Exactly 1 centimeter. Yes. Yes. So this is exactly 1 centimeter what I got. This is my point. Now I want which triangle? O to this plus 3. This is 0 we can say. So I am joining this two. This I am joining with 0. Okay. I am zooming it for you and showing. Just see. Now this is the required triangle. Okay. From here to here is 3 units. From here to here is 1 unit. And this distance you can say this distance is root 10 now. Okay. So this is root 10. But I want this distance on number line, no? So what I will do? I am just keeping this over here, measuring the distance. Now see students, you know that root 9 is 3. So root 10 will be little more than 3. So it should be between 3 and 4. So let's check. Yes. So see, it's coming little more than 3. Can you see everyone? I am marking it over here. Please see. Okay. This mark which I got no after 3. This is 3 and this is root 3. Similarly, what you got over here, this is root 2 and this is root 4, that is 2, and this is your root 5. This is 3, that means root 9, and this will be your root 10. Alright, so this point is root 10 and this point is root 5. Let me mark it with another color so that it will be clear for you. So I am marking these distances with pen. See, now this is 0. This is plus 1, this is plus 2, and this is root 5. Okay, so this is your root 5. Here it is plus 3 and this is your root 10. Okay, I am showing you. This is root 5 and this is root 10. Let me zoom it for you and show. Can you all see? Okay, see now I am repeating it again. Just see. This is minus 1, 0, plus 1, plus 2. Root 5 plus 2 is root 4. So this is root 5 plus 3 is root 9 and this is root 10. Have you understood everybody? Please mark your 90-degree angle. Then only this will be right angle triangle. I hope it is clear to you. Okay. So there are different methods of drawing this. From root 5 also you can draw again root 10. What you do is from root 5 only you draw one perpendicular line. And then again take the root 5 distance over here. Alright, so 5 plus 5, root 5 square will be 5. Root 5 square again will be 5. And then you will get root 10 automatically. Measure that distance. That means it all depends on what type of right angle triangle you are drawing. Alright, so there are different possible ways. This also you could have taken 2 centimeters over here and 1 centimeter over here. Doesn't matter. But I wanted to have some space, so I have chosen this two. Otherwise, these two lines would have mingled with each other. I hope the construction is clear, everybody. Please try to draw it in your notebook. That's all for today from my side, students. So please draw the constructions. We'll stop it here. Okay. Thank you. Stay home. Stay safe.